Yo, what is up? We had an amazing week so far. I hope y'all getting some money. I hope y'all not just watching these YouTubes and just watching us get all this money. I hope y'all are getting some money, okay? So we're going to dive into what's been going on this week. Pretty much updates, what I'm looking at going forward throughout the rest of the week. We did do our mentoring drawing on the last YouTube video, which was a few days ago, so you guys can go check that out. We did pick 2 winners. Again, we're going to be doing another drawing in another 5 weeks. So literally just drop a comment down below on the video to enter, completely free, and we will add your, comment to the count. What else do I have for y'all? I don't think that's anything else as far as news-wise, so let's go ahead and dive on in. So, DXY, beautiful outcome this week, man. We were looking at 2 options. First option, either price action was just going to, market open, it was just going to continue up, or it was going to go down, tap into our premium, and then continue towards the upside. We got that straight movement up, and the beautiful thing about this is we actually took some of our trades for this last week on Friday. So our original entry for EURUSD was last week on Friday. And I'll show y'all that as well, which was a chef's kiss, beautiful entry. I have been dominating the markets, slaughtering this shit. I don't know, man, y'all. I think I might be reaching elite status in my career, man. I'm starting to get really good. I'm starting to scare myself, actually. And it's actually getting so good to where it's just like, it's becoming really regular. And it's becoming nothing, it's just like at first I don't even know how to explain it, y'all, but I'm going through it. I don't know what's going on, but it's lit. And yeah, outcomes have been great. So DXY upside move, we got the full move on the DXY. I was looking for price action just to head up into this range for this week. I do expect this long term, guys. We are long term headed all the way up here. So y'all got some swings on y'all's hands, and we already caught the best entries that we could. So you're talking about y'all can fucking hold them trades all the way until we get to this high, at least this high right here, for sure. So make sure y'all make y'all money, man. 1 second, my phone is going off. All right, yeah, make sure y'all make y'all's money, bro. And then just continue to, ride some of these trades for sure. We still got some TPs coming up as well, so I'll share that with y'all. But DXY looking good. Still more upside on that. We're still going to be bullish on this next week as well. Probably next week. What's today? Wednesday. Next week. It depends on where it finishes this week, but we should be still in an impulsive phase next week. So we probably might just see a small correction and a continuation next week. But of course, I'll keep y'all updated on the Saturday drop. If y'all are not subscribed, make sure y'all are subscribed so y'all don't miss out on any future, videos, and turn on your bell notifications so y'all, get immediately notified when I do drop a video so y'all can get this money, man. So DXY went beautiful. EURUSD, that's the entry I told y'all about that we got on Friday. Absolutely crazy. My bad, y'all. I live downtown, so it is fucking loud out here. But absolutely sniped it. And it is slowly continuing to break down. I do expect this to impulse very soon and just go ahead and clear these lows. So we should be seeing some momentum on this pretty soon, at least to, break this low and start that actual fall. So we're in for it. Just continue to be patient. Again, we've been locked in on this one. Risk-free on this one. And man, beautiful week, bro. Beautiful week, man. I'm getting really good, bro. If y'all want to learn how to trade, how I trade, learn from me personally, I'm telling y'all better learn. Our website information is down below before I completely retire. So y'all got y'all's opportunity. All of our mentoring package information is down below. I don't really do boot camps as much anymore. That's something you'll have to personally message me. But these days, I really don't have time for it anymore. So those opportunities are really super slim. But we do have the normal mentoring package where you get access to the online school as well as all of the other mentoring groups, mentoring chat room. You get access to the FXK locker room where I also post, everything that I got going personally as far as trades and things like that. So you get access to the inner circle. It's all lifetime too, one-time fee, guys. So you don't have to keep paying. And one beautiful thing about my mentoring package is that it's literally one time. As I continue to learn, you continue to get updates. So I literally have students from literally almost 9-10 years ago who are still getting updates, and they're still getting better as I get better. So you're buying into a journey when you get our mentoring package. But that is EURUSD. More money made, man. More money made. GBPUSD. I gave this out to y'all last week, and then this week we're kind of looking at that continuation toward the downside. I did tell y'all over and over and over that I am bearish on this, that I am bearish on EURUSD, and that I'm bullish on the dollar. We also did a live stream yesterday where I let the, people who joined the live stream, again, you have to be in the chat room. It's completely free as well. The FXK chat room, community chat room on Telegram. The link is down below in the description as well. That's where I post all the updates for these charts, but I did drop a live stream in there as well. So I do live streams also, Zoom live streams. So the links go in the free Telegram chat room. Again, link down below. All of this shit is free, y'all. Everything is free. So there's no reason why y'all shouldn't be locked in and getting this money. I'm trying to bring as many traders to the promised land as I can. I'm trying to save y'all because I know this industry is horrible. I had to go through it. I know y'all going through it. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to save y'all. I'm only one person, but I'm trying. So follow up, watch the YouTubes, learn as much as you can. But I did tell y'all this is going to fall. It's falling. You should be risk-free on this by now. Even if you sold it from last week, you'd have been risk-free around this range. You'd have been good this week. Even if you sold the correction this week, you should be risk-free now. You can go risk-free and just kind of hold this one, let it break down. This one might give a little bit more of a hard time than the rest of the pairs. As y'all can see, it's been given a hard time, but overall, I am still bearish on this, and any opportunities entered on this should be risk-free at the moment. Last but not least, so I did drop this trade yesterday to the students. Crap. And as y'all can see, what we are doing, we are now risk-free on this trade as well. Well, our stop loss is about 70, I think 71,900. So we significantly decreased it, but beautiful trade, another beautiful trade. And since we have now shifted structure, we can go ahead and go risk-free on this one, which I'll probably make the announcement tonight. But hey, man, as y'all can see, every single thing that I put out this week, slaughterhouse. As y'all know, for those of y'all that's been around for years, I'm almost 12 years in the game. This entire year has been, I don't even know what words to even use for it, but I lost 2 weeks this entire year. 2 weeks. And each of those weeks, it was a max, I think, of 2 trades. So I don't know how many weeks we've been so far in this year, but 2 weeks I have lost this entire year. That is crazy. So completely a blessing, completely thankful. Shit, man, just another one, y'all. Another one. So that's AU. Just continue to be patient. It should continue to break down. I know I just shared this one mainly to the students. Make sure y'all are active in the Telegram chat room. I did get the opportunity for y'all to unlock this one as well by making sure, you're active, dropping comments and stuff like that. Y'all gotta look quiet on me, so make sure y'all active now. If I'm gonna be giving y'all money, free money, make sure y'all active. I don't want to be talking to myself or, interacting with myself. So we celebrate together, we eat together. We sitting at this table together. I'm allowing y'all a seat at my table. So let's all eat. Let's all toast together. Let's level up together. All right. So don't have me talking to myself. That's kind of boring. And last but not least, Bitcoin. Another one. So I've been telling y'all about this for weeks, that I am expecting Bitcoin to drop down to 50-ish to 45K-ish range, and it has been doing that. Last thing we were looking at is for a price action to either fall from here or to go back up, pop into this range and then fall. But we got the fall from here, and it is melting. So hopefully y'all made some money on that as well. I know a few of y'all made some money on Bitcoin. I know some of y'all made some money on EURUSD. I know some of y'all made some money on AU, and I love to see it, bro. I love y'all making money. I do not want to just be making money by myself. I make plenty of money. But for most of y'all that know, I'm transparent with y'all as far as like my growth. And I'm running multiple businesses now. All of this shit was paid for Forex. I took the money that I made out of the markets and invested it in other businesses. And now those are booming. And they're going to literally feed me for the rest of my life. I've created generational wealth from these markets. So I'm at the point now I don't even have to trade no more. So I can just off my other businesses, and they are growing substantially. Like the first year in business, it did 6 figures. So honestly, I think within the next 2 years, we should be at somewhere between like 4 to 5 million a year. And by the 10-year mark, I expect it to be somewhere between like 50 to 100 million. So insane amount of money coming my way, y'all. So it's gonna get to a point where I'm just trading just like very leisure, like once a month. It might be a lot of money that I'm trading, maybe a couple 100,000 or so on a trade, but it's gonna get to that point to where it's literally like almost 1 or 2 times a month that I'm trading. So for those of y'all that have been around, 10 years plus, then y'all know I used to drop y'all almost 20 charts plus a week. Now it's literally getting down to 2. So enjoy me while y'all can, man. I hope y'all made some money this week. That's really all the updates I got for y'all, man. Just continue to milk some of these trades. Be patient. We got a nice head and shoulders here on AU, so that should help roll us down as well structurally. So everything looking good, bro. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. Much love. Keep winning. Keep studying. As always, if y'all want to contact me, my Telegram is @TradingCo. My information is down below in the description. My Instagram is dchaser. Other than that, that's all I got for y'all, man. I'll catch y'all later.